Back to Turkish Rain Academy. Please like, share and follow Turkish Rain on all social media platforms. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit the notification bell to see more of our educational content. Let's get right into it. In this video we'll be talking about Excel functions as it pertains to data analysis Excel functions. So we have been using this data set to answer a set of questions pertaining to data analysis. We know data analysis is a way of visually reading data or in a specified format, or analyzing data in a specified format to make informed decisions. So let's move on. In this video we'll be calculating for the highest product category. We'll be calculating for the highest product category in this video, and we'll be finding out which product category has the highest total sales. Which product category? Here we have the laptop, we have the monitor, tablet, headphones. Which one has the highest sale? So we are going to follow these steps to do it. The first step will be to click into an empty cell. We'll be using an empty cell. We type our electronics total. So let's highlight this, make it bold and centralized. So here we'll call it electronics total. Expand this. Then bold and centralized. So we have our electronics total here. To calculate the electronics total, we use the sum if function. Sum if is conditional addition, so equals to sum if. It adds the specified sales by a given condition. Sum if, the formula we'll be using is if E2 to E36 is equals to electronics. Okay, we have to add E2 E36 electronics here, E2, which is the category, to E36. Then we are going to add the total of this here. So let me explain that visually. E2 E36. What it's saying is that from here to here, find the word electronics. Then add them. So add, that is H2 to H36. That is basically what we are saying. Find here, go through this entire list. Anyone that has electronics, add their correspondence here. And give it to us. That is basically what sum if. So this is the total of all the electronics, because it added all the electronics here, their total, and gave it to us. So for electronics you have 17,800 for electronics. The next will be to calculate the accessories total. We'll do the same thing we did for electronics, but for accessories we'll call here. Centralize and bold. We'll do the same thing here. Sum if equals to sum if. So sum if is to give conditions to Excel for addition. So E2 to E36. After that, we call our H2 to H36. That is the range. So from here to here, calculate all accessories from here to here and give it to us. So we have our accessories here, the accessories total. Which is 2,119. That is the total for accessories. After that, we compare the two numbers. To compare the two numbers, we'll use our if function. Here is P6 and here is P8. So if P2 is greater than, if P6 is greater than P8, then give us the value if through electronics and the value if false. Accessories. So as you can see, electronics is greater. If this P2 is greater than this, give us electronics. If it's not greater than this, then give us accessories. That is basically what we just said. And electronics is greater than accessories. So we've been able to see that the highest product category in this data set is the electronics categories, because electronics has more sale than accessories, and in the grand total, electronics has a greater sale total than accessories have in their sale total. If we add all the accessories here, it will still not be up to half of the electronics, which is a whopping 17,800 for electronics only. So with that, we've answered the question, which is to find out which product category has the highest total sale, and the product category with the highest total sale is electronics. So I'll see you in the next video. Ernest out.